So, GPT-5 is just around the corner. And the big question isn't if it's coming, but what are we actually going to do with it? Today, we are going to dive into 10 of the most powerful ways you'll be able to use this next gen AI and, maybe more importantly, how you can get ready for it right now. And this quote just hits the nail on the head. We're not talking about a small incremental update here. This is a massive leap forward. And if you want to get ahead of the curve, understanding how to actually use this technology isn't just a nice to have anymore. It's becoming absolutely essential.
Okay, so let's break down the magic behind all this. It all comes down to a much, much better agent model. So what does that even mean? Well, it means the AI can actually think for itself. It can come up with a plan, it can go online and do its own research, and then it can carry out these really complex tasks all on its own without you having to hold its hand. And that core idea, that powers everything else we're about to talk about.
So here's our game plan. First, we'll look at what really makes this a thinking AI. Then, we'll dive into how it can supercharge your work life and your creative side. And finally, we'll get into how you can build your very own personal AI agent for what's coming next. You see, the real game changer is expected to be this new thinking mode. So instead of just giving you a quick kind of surface level answer, the AI can actually kick off its own deep research project, acting like an agent to find a truly thought out, comprehensive solution to whatever problem you throw at it. All right, let's get practical. How can this thinking AI actually help you get ahead at work? We're talking about real, tangible tools that can boost your career and make businesses way more efficient. Okay, take financial analysis. Let's say you're thinking about an investment. You could just give the AI the company's financials, and then it goes to work. It starts researching market trends, digging into competitors, checking recent news, all by itself. This isn't just a quick summary, it's a deep dive research project that might take, say, 30 minutes to cook, but what you get back is this incredibly detailed report. And job hunting? Oh, that's about to change in a big way. Forget the old numbers game of sending out hundreds of resumes into a black hole. Instead, you could give an AI agent your LinkedIn login, tell it your skills and what you're looking for, and it could go out and find the top 5 perfect fit opportunities for you. It's all about precision, not just volume. And hey, this works both ways. Let's say you're the one doing the hiring. You could give the AI a job description and a location, like Bangalore, and it would scan thousands of profiles to bring you back a hand-picked list of the top 10 candidates. It could even write personalized outreach emails for you. Think of the hours, dozens of hours that saves. Now, this one is huge for small businesses and teams. You could build simple internal tools without writing a single line of code. For instance, you could just say, hey, create a dashboard for my team to track our video production deadlines. You just describe what you want and boom, it builds a working tool for you. Okay, let's switch gears. We've talked business, now let's talk about the creative side. We're going to shift from professional work to content creation and see how this tech can basically amplify your entire creative workflow. Content strategy is about to get a major boost. Imagine telling the AI, hey, these are my favorite creators. It could then go analyze their channels, figure out the secret sauce that makes their content go viral, then look at your channel and generate 10 custom video ideas that are tailor-made to succeed for you. It's like having a world-class strategist in your pocket. The actual quality of the writing is also set for a huge upgrade. These new models will be way better at avoiding that generic, emoji-stuffed language that just screams an AI wrote this. It could analyze your past writing to learn your unique voice and then create LinkedIn posts or video scripts that sound genuinely like you. But listen, to get the best stuff out, you gotta put the best stuff in. A simple prompt like a duck flying gives you a simple result. But if you give it a super detailed, structured prompt, specifying the style, the lighting, everything, you're giving the AI the exact recipe it needs to create something truly mind-blowing. This is just so incredibly useful. You could literally feed the AI a screenshot of your website or your LinkedIn profile and just ask it to make it better. It could give you actionable advice on everything from your word choice and page layout to the overall user experience, all to help you get better results. And now for a wild one. Using a feature people are calling Canvas mode, which basically lets the AI generate interactive stuff, you could create simple 2D games just by describing them. You could ask for a space shooter, and it would just write the code and handle the game physics for you. This would be an amazing way to engage an audience or explain a complex idea in a really fun way.
Okay, so let's bring all this home. For this last part, we're going to focus on how you could actually build your own personalized AI agent to help manage your day-to-day life and just learn things faster.
Sure, older AIs could plan a trip, but because these new models can think longer, the results are going to be on another level. It won't just spit out a list of tourist traps. It could create a complete itinerary with budget options, amazing food recommendations, local events to check out, and maybe even interesting people to meet. It's basically a personal travel concierge. Now, this is a really powerful idea. Building a personal board of directors. You could create a custom AI agent and then feed it all the books, interviews, and ideas from the people you admire most. By building this board of directors, you can literally ask your custom agent for advice on specific problems you're facing. It would give you guidance based on the combined wisdom of your chosen mentors. It's kind of like having them all on speed dial, 24/7. And the final piece of the puzzle is using this AI as the brain for all your other tools. By connecting it to automation platforms like Make.com or NAN, you could create these incredibly sophisticated, autonomous helpers. Imagine an agent that reads a news article, writes a LinkedIn post about it, creates a cool image to go with it, and then emails it to you for a quick approval, all while you're doing something else. So, where is all of this headed? Well, we are stepping into what's being called the agentic future. It's a world where AI stops being just a tool we command and starts becoming a true collaborator, a real teammate. And if you take away just one thing, let it be this. We are watching a fundamental change in our relationship with technology. The huge shift is from commanding a simple tool to collaborating with an intelligent agent that can really, truly act on your behalf. This technology, it's not some distant sci-fi dream anymore. It is happening right now. It's becoming a reality. A personal AI agent is finally within reach. So the only real question left is, what will you build with it first?